Hello friends, good morning. Today I will be showing you how to hold a pen or a pencil to write in a beautiful way. Improper ways of holding your pencil or pen will result to a bad handwriting. It's confirmed. Okay, now who are kids like who is studying in class 2, 3, 4, 5? I saw many such students who just hold the pencil like this or few like this, or even I saw few were just holding like this and few like this. They just press it so hard, this finger, this one, not the middle finger, and they keep the thumb in front of this portion. Few also hold like this. So the matter is how to hold it correctly. You see this part, this joint, you can see this part and our this finger, and this is the thumb. See, hold it like this and rest your pencil here, right here on the joint. The pen or the pencil will fit in your hand like gloves. Okay, and this first finger will be right here above the portion of the white part of the pencil, like this, the point where it is last sharpened, and your thumb will be like this in a gap like this, and your last three fingers will be resting on the paper like this. Okay, so what happens, the gap of the paper and the nib, you see the gap of the paper and the nib becomes low, so you have a comfort grip over the paper, and your hand, you see, will be right on the paper like this. Now I'll write something for you and showing you like A. If you hold the pen or pencil like this, you can write many alphabets in one stroke without removing your hand, like the B, you see. And another thing, never press your pencil so hard. Okay, in one stroke I wrote it. Again I will show you this B with two strokes. Okay, you see, this way you can maintain the angles also. You see the angles, the angles are so nice. Okay, you see, they come in a good angle of writing, about 55 degrees. So this is the correct one to hold your pencil. Thank you, hope this will help you, and never press your pencil such hard. Okay, thank you. We'll be meeting on a next topic, how to write alphabets more nicely. Thanks all, keep in touch, please subscribe.